What's up guys, this is Kazi. I'm the guy who's gonna help you take this to that. Now, I'm not your average instructor. I'm a practitioner. I live this stuff. I run a studio in LA called the Post Village where I got the chance to work with some of the best brands in the world. And I also run the fastest growing color grading account on Instagram. It doesn't stop there. I'm officially the fastest growing color grading channel on YouTube. Last year, I made $234,000 by working only about 110 days. Now I'm not bragging, I'm just letting you know what's at stake here. Color grading is so freaking hot right now. The problem is the people in the field, they don't want to share their secrets, they don't want to share their knowledge. You know exactly what I'm talking about. And the ones that are sharing it are enthusiasts, they're not professional. This is why I created the Freelance Colorist Masterclass. With me, you don't only get the hard skills, but you get the soft skills necessary to become profitable as a colorist. You'll learn in hours what took me years to learn. If you're someone who's never heard of DaVinci Resolve, all the way to someone who knows their way around the software, this masterclass is for you. You'll learn how to get your footage in and out of Resolve. I will demystify color science and show you how to get the best image out of any camera. Too many people skip color correction and go straight to color grading. What if I tell you 80% of your paycheck comes from the jobs that you do that require color correction, not color grading? Subpar shot matching is a dead giveaway that you're an amateur. I'm not only gonna show you how to best match your footage, I'm gonna share techniques that are gonna help you work twice as fast. Color grading is when you become a tastemaker, the director's go-to guy, and this is when you start to get paid what you're worth. Now take it from somebody who's spent years dialing everything just right. I'll be giving you a step-by-step guide to building your studio regardless of your budget. The freelance module gets me so pumped because this is the whole reason why I created this course. With this masterclass, you don't only get the course materials and training videos, you get a lifetime access to a mentor. You get me, I'm one DM or one email away. I'm so confident that I'm throwing in a risk-free 30-day money-back guarantee if you're not satisfied. Join hundreds of members that are part of the FCM culture and have achieved unimaginable results. Don't take my word for it. Let's hear what filmmakers around the world are saying about FCM.
What is up? My name is Josh and I'm a filmmaker in Utah.
Fala galera, meu nome é Brian Marçal, sou colorista e editor aqui no Brasil.
Hi, my name is Daniel Geyer. I am a director and producer.
Hey guys, my name is Joel Black and I'm a filmmaker and colorist from Australia.
I'm pretty sure that everybody has that dream of being their own boss and going full-time freelance. This course is going to help you do that.
Algo que eu sempre busquei fazer foi sobre como melhorar o nível das minhas produções através do uso das cores. Mas até então não existia um treinamento específico para isso.
The best thing about this course is that it just is the only way to not spend years reading manuals and trial and erroring it and getting bad advice. It's the only way to not go and spend $50,000 a year at film school, which by the way, I've also done that.
Quasi's Freelance Colorist Master Course is something that I feel that anyone at any level can gain something from.
I personally was able to quit my job and go full-time freelance, and I know that Kazi's course was one of the things that helped me do that because I had the confidence and I had the skills.
Foi até então que eu conheci o Kazi, ele me apresentou o FCM e de lá pra cá minha vida mudou da água pro vinho.
The good thing about the course is that all that stuff is there. Like I reference it all the time. Every month I'm going back in there being like, wait, what was that one thing that he said?
There's loads of information on the internet, but I haven't come across anything quite like Quasi's course.
The one thing that makes this class extremely special is that Kazi is truly invested into it and he wants to help us. He wants to give all of his knowledge away and he wants to really raise the filmmaking community.
O que você está esperando para garantir já a sua vaga no FCM? Garanto que você não vai se arrepender.
It's time to take control of your career. Show them who's boss. Enrollment ends soon. Join now. Let me know if you still have any questions and I will see you inside the course.